Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you're having a wonderful day. Y'all, let's have a sneak peek at something awesome. Stay tuned. Well, today was a very limited day for me in terms of crafting. I didn't have much time. I had about an hour and a half, so I was thinking, what can I make that's really memorable, sweet, and cute all at the same time, and very simple to make? And what I came up with is this adorable little mini album. It's a 5.5 by 6 on the outside, and then on the inside it's 5 by 4.5. And it is truly, truly easy to make. So what I have here are some little sections, and I'm just going to do a quick flip through and share it with you guys. So here I've got a pocket, and in this pocket we can put tags or journaling cards or photos, whatever we want to put. And then I've got photo mats throughout this book, so you can take Christmas memories and just post them. You can take the photo mat out and layer something here as well. And I'm using embellishments as a way of holding this particular mat in place. And then you come here, I've got these two cute little pockets that are designed to hold photo mats, tags, embellishments, memory tickets, whatever you might have. And I think these are just so fun. So basically what I did was I used some stickers to just dress up the tops of these mats, just to keep it simple but cute, guys. This little thing is cute. It packs a punch of cuteness. And then on this page, I decided I just wanted to have some photos that screamed Christmas, and I think Santa and this reindeer definitely scream Christmas. And then on this page, I've got two of the pockets and more photo mats, and this spot is perfect for tags or whatever else you might want to put in it. And then I've got two more mats on this side. And then on the last page of the book, I have another one of the nutcrackers here. And then I've got another page here that's completely mounted to the board. And it's a photo mat or it's a journaling mat, whatever you would want to use it for. And then in the back pocket here, I've got these cute little tags. And this is just so stinking cute. I mean, it is cuteness overload, y'all. And I cannot wait to do the tutorial on this. So I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek because I didn't have a chance to make the tutorial after I made my prototype here because it got late and now it's storming. So I'm going to head back inside before it really gets bad. But on Friday, I will be uploading the tutorial on how to make this. And I tell you what, you're going to be blown away at how this has been simplified. Even the newest paper crafter will be able to make this gorgeous mini using the most simplest of paper crafting methods. So I hope y'all tune in tomorrow and join me as I make this little cutie. Y'all have a great day. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.